Hey, what's up you guys, and in today's video I'm going to basically be going over the 3 different methods you can use to record either your desktop screen or some PC gameplay. So as some of you guys know, I did get this computer, or a new computer, just about a month ago, and I was kind of struggling with some of these recorders, so I thought I'd make a tutorial for you guys that shows you guys the pros and cons of each software, tell you guys which one I would recommend for doing which type of things. So basically the three main softwares I've chosen here is Fraps, Bandicam, and Camtasia. So I'm going to go over Fraps first. Now Fraps is $37 if you wish to purchase it. Now there are other ways you can get these softwares for free. I'm not really going to tell you guys any more about that, nor do I condone pirating these types of softwares or things like that, but I just thought I'd tell you guys that if you did not know. But again, it's $37 if you want to purchase it, and basically what I would use Fraps for if I were you guys is just to record PC gameplay. I wouldn't really mess around with it with desktop recording, and the reason why I would say that is because I actually really don't know how to record my desktop with Fraps yet. It's a little bit confusing in my opinion, but it's definitely good for for regular PC gameplay recording. Unfortunately, it does drop your frame rate very significantly, which can be a pain in the ass. So you're gonna have to lower your settings a lot once you're recording and playing a game at the same time. So that definitely is a pain. Now another downside to Fraps is that it produces very high file sizes. So if I were to record just about a 3.5 minute clip of Minecraft or something, the file size would be around 4 gigabytes, which is huge in my opinion. That's a very small clip, just about 3.5 minutes, and a whole 4 gigabytes. So if you're planning on making some pretty long videos or storing this gameplay on your computer for a long time, I wouldn't recommend going with Fraps. I mean, there is ways you can like kind of downsize the file size, whatever. I'll leave a link to a video that actually helped me out down in the description. So if you guys are having trouble with Fraps file size, definitely check out this video in the description. It was made by someone else and it really helped me out, so I thought I'd help them out. Drop their link down in the description. So that's what I've used Fraps for. Again, just for PC gameplay. Wouldn't really mess around with it with desktop recording. So now onto Bandicam. No, I haven't really used Bandicam too much. There is a trial for Bandicam as well as a trial for Fraps, but you're really only limited to about I think 30 seconds with Fraps, and this one has just a big watermark on it, which can be a pain. But this one here is $39 for one PC you can use. And again, I haven't really used it. Some people like to say that Bandicam takes up the least amount of CPU power, which I guess if that is true could definitely be a big plus side to it, because again, Fraps takes up a lot of CPU power and definitely drops your frame rate in each game by a lot. So if that is true, don't take my word for it, but if that is true, Bandicam would definitely be a good option because you can record your gameplay as well as your desktop, which is definitely good. So that's basically it for Bandicam. I don't really have anything else to say with it because again, I don't really use it much. I don't think this comes with a free editing software, nor do I think Fraps does. But this right here, Camtasia, which is what I'm using right now to record this, does actually come with a video editing software, which is actually a pretty good one, in my opinion. That's what I use to render out some of my videos, and it definitely is pretty good. But this software is $300, which is pretty expensive. But again, it does come with that editing software, and you can record your games as well as your PC, as your desktop. And this one again is $39 if I didn't already say that. But Camtasia Studio, I would say is an all-around really good software to get, because again, it comes with that editing software, which really isn't that bad of an editing software in my opinion. It's actually pretty good. You can render out to MP4 and 720p, and it is pretty good quality. Might not be as good quality as Sony Vegas, obviously, but it definitely is worth it. So if I were you guys now, if you're going to be doing strictly PC gaming and you're only going to be recording PC games, no questions asked, I would go with Fraps then, just because again, it's a very cheap if you'd like to buy it, and it is definitely really good for gaming, for recording gaming on your PC. And Camtasia will definitely be able to record your gameplay on your PC, but it might be a little bit might be a little bit of a pain because you might get some windows popping up like this and things like that. So that's what I would recommend if you're going to be doing strictly gaming. Then get Fraps. But if you're going to be doing a variety of both, then I would recommend going with Camtasia Studio. Of course, you could get both if you'd like, but I mean, I really don't have too much experience with Bandicam, so I can't really recommend that to you guys. But I've used Camtasia quite a few times. I've also used Fraps quite a few times, so I definitely would recommend the both. I'll drop all the links down in the description. Again, guys, Fraps basically is mainly for PC gameplay. This will work for both, and basically you'll get the same results, except for this one, Fraps will have a huge file size, and this one will have basically a regular file size. So that's basically it for this tutorial, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. It was just a little bit of an informational video to help you guys with these recording softwares. Basically, make sure that you guys are choosing the right one and you don't buy one and then it doesn't really work for you. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'd appreciate a like on this video. Comment down below which software you think is the best and why, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.